Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix or how to remove the PUA colon Win32 / Presenoker in Windows Security in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched. Wait until a best match would appear and proceed to it, okay? So once the best match is here, go with open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the File Explorer window where here you need to proceed with the upper center of the screen, you can see there an option called View. Click on it, go with Show, and make sure that this hidden items is checked to show hidden items in your windows. Okay, in my case, it is already being checked, but in your case, if not, simply tap on it and you will be able to show hidden folders in your File Explorer. Once you're done, simply double tap to your C drive or local disk and proceed with a file folder named Program Data. Double tap to it, and here you need to proceed with Microsoft. Afterwards, double tapped and look for a file folder named here Windows Defender. Once you have find it, double tapped once again and look for a file folder named Scans. Tapped on it. The moment you have tapped on it, you need to proceed with History. Double tap to it. Okay. And here under the history, you need to proceed with service, double tapped, and you need to delete all of such except for detection history. Again, delete for all of this text document except for this detection history. Now click on this trash icon to delete, or you can simply press Windows, I mean Shift key and delete key, and it will be deleted. Once you're done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. So here at the start bin button search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match, which is a settings which has this gear icon, tapped on it. Or you can also use the shortcut keys, which are Windows key and I key together, and that would lead you to the settings. Here, please proceed with privacy and security, tapped on it at the left side of your screen. Proceed with Windows security. And here, please proceed with virus and threat protection, and wait until you are being redirected to the Windows Security Defender under Virus and Threat Protection. So check if your problem has been fixed here. I'm sure it will be fixed. So simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.